The event snippet code helps you measure the activities that happen on your website so you can optimize toward them in Google Ads. In this video, you'll learn how to implement the event snippet code on your website through Google Tag Manager. For example, if a person clicks the Call Now button on your website, you will know which advertising campaign this action came from. It works in the same way for other conversions, such as click to purchase, add to cart, or click to chat. An event snippet code can be placed anywhere on the page after you implement a site-wide tag, but it's recommended to place it within the header section for the best tracking accuracy. There are 3 ways of implementing the event snippet code. This can be done by using the global site tag, Google Analytics, or Google Tag Manager. It's recommended to implement it through Google Tag Manager to minimize any effort or cost in code modification. Before you implement the event snippet code, you need to meet these 3 requirements. First, install the Google Tag Manager code. This is to ensure that the conversions happening on your website are tracked accurately. Second, turn on auto tagging in your Google Ads account settings. And lastly, set up the conversion linker in Google Tag Manager. Now let's open a browser to view your Google Tag Manager account. Next, select the account in which you want to implement the event snippet code. Choose the Admin tab on the top left and select Install Google Tag Manager. At this stage, you should already have the Google Tag Manager code installed on your website. Copy the event snippet code and paste it into the header section of your website backend. Once you've successfully installed the event snippet code into your website, it's time to open up your Google Ads account to create your conversion. In your Google Ads account, select Tools and click on Conversions. Create a new conversion for the event snippet code. There are many types of events that you can track. In this example, we'll create a click-to-call action. Click the Phone tab and select Clicks on your number on your mobile website to track the number of clicks to call. Then name your conversion. If you're using smart bidding and are optimizing towards this event, be sure to assign a value. In this example, if you don't know the exact value of an event, you can select Do Not Use Any Value. For count, select 1 to track unique customers. If you want to track click volume instead, choose Every. That's it. You've created a conversion action. You'll now see the conversion ID and conversion label. We'll use these values again in a couple of steps. Returning to your Google Tag Manager account, you can now create a new trigger. Select Clicks Just Links under Trigger Type and choose Some Link Clicks. Set up the condition for the conversion trigger by selecting Click URL and then Contains. And type in the abbreviation for telephone, TEL. Now create a new tag and paste the conversion ID and conversion label into the fields. Under the triggering section, choose the trigger you just created. First save and then publish the newly configured tag. You've now implemented a click-to-call event. After you publish the changes, it's recommended to test if the tag is firing in order to track calls properly. For more step-by-step videos on Google Ads implementation and optimization, check out Google Ads tutorials on the Google Ads YouTube channel. If you have any questions or for more information, please visit Google Ads Help.